Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair this JBL Partybox 110 to your Android smartphone. So at the first you have to remember to power on this speaker by using this power button. So click on it once until you will hear notification sound. Okay, the next step, you have to click on the Bluetooth button once to move this speaker to the pairing mode. When this icon is blinking, it means that speaker is visible to other devices. And all you have to do right now on our Android smartphone, it's very simple, because we have to just go for the Bluetooth settings. So you can open the main settings on your phone, just like that. Open connected devices, click to pair new device. And as you can see, JBL Partybox appears right here, so click on it once and accept pairing request. As you can see, we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video and the JBL Partybox. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.